it is your dream to be among the top students in the class in 2022? Then here are 6 tips and 4 secrets that will help you achieve it. So first we will discuss 6 best tips to become a topper in class and then 4 secrets to study like toppers. So let's know our first tips to become a topper in class. And that is practice speaking and writing skills frequently to achieve fluency in English. Second, devote some time daily on grammar practice so that you will not make mistakes while writing long essays or other assignments. Third, use proper punctuation marks while writing long sentences so that you can express your ideas correctly and clearly. Fourth, read magazines to enhance your vocabulary, reading speed and writing skills. Fifth, read newspapers to improve your language knowledge. And the last, sixth is stay updated with latest happening of the world by watching news and current affairs shows. So guys, this is our 6 tips to become a topper in class. Now let's discuss our 4 secrets to study like toppers. First secret is don't just remember the exact answers of your teachers. Try and understand why they are the answers. Second, while preparing for exams, take notes. This way you will have them handy when exam time comes around. Third, if you are not understanding well, ask question at the end of class. You may also want to chat with others classmates to clear up any confusion. Last, fourth secret is after class be sure to review your notes and then summarize the class in 1 or 2 short paragraphs using your own words. So guys, this is our 6 tips and 4 secrets to become a topper in the class in 2022. So what? Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Take care and goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe this channel.